how do you go about choosing the right title or a good title?
Number one, I'm nonfiction. I've written my plethora of fiction books,
Right.
but my jam is nonfiction. So you definitely want to always speak to the result in the transformation of your audience. And that comes from really knowing, I'm going to use the word avatar here. That really comes from knowing who your ideal customer or your ideal avatar is.
Right.
And then of course you look at other books in your genre to see what their titles are based on, and always go to the bestsellers. I'm just, this is what I do. What I'm telling you is what I do for myself, what I've done for my clients, and they've been successful in multiple bestsellers multiple times. It's the truth. You got to know your avatar. You got to know, because that's going to help you determine the title of your book. And you definitely want a subtitle. Subtitle, I always suggest going with something that really highlights the three areas that people are struggling with. So let me use my book for an example. Forgiving You, moving towards your healing by processing your emotions and overcoming offenses.
Mm.
So I know people don't know how to process their emotions when they're in this unforgiving state. That's one of the pain points of my audience. And then they're ready. And then one of the things they want to overcome. They want to overcome things that have offended them to help them get to that forgiveness part.
I
So
love that.
you always, and I know forgiveness is a very hot topic. I get people that express that they not gonna forgive. Baby, they show it. They angry, they mad. I've triggered something. So forgiveness is a double-edged sword.
Right.
It can trigger the wrong, or it can really trigger just bad things in people, or it can trigger things in people that says, you know what, I need your book because I'm ready for this. So that's what you want to have in mind when you come up with a title. Where are they at now? Where do they want to be? And then that subtitle should speak to both. Combine both of them.